This video is about the danger of pop-ups that come from the site Cessagebyg.top. It's yet another malicious resource that attempts to infect your browser, specifically with the feature of uncontrolled web push notifications. So the pop-up says you need to tap the Allow button to continue your browsing, or sometimes it says that it's important for the purpose of age verification or for proving that you are not a robot or for some other reasons. But in reality, clicking on Allow button would immediately hijack the browser. This means you will be forwarded to the great variety of third-party websites. For instance, this website, this pop-up redirected us through some suspicious resource, and this resulted in downloading of some file, some DMG file. This DMG file, for instance, it may be bundled with adware, browser hijackers, and other potentially unwanted programs. Alternatively, you may be forwarded to some other junk sites that offer you to participate in various surveys, questionnaires that try to collect your personal data. So obviously, these pop-ups are not safe. You need to go to the menu, click on Settings, then Site Settings, and click on Notifications. And now you need to research the Allow area very carefully. So when you find this Cessagebyg.top, remove it from this list. I also recommend double checking your Mac with Combo Cleaner antivirus, and you may get it on this official page, combocleaner.com. So after you download the software and install it, wait until it updates the antivirus database and click on Start Combo Scan button. The free analysis of your Mac will begin, and you will be able to see the clear picture of what is going on with your Mac computer. This is the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner antivirus. Whether the trial mode or the premium mode is used, the program performs free research of your Mac computer. To find out what exact threads were removed during the scan, click on Review Results. This will show you the exact location of each specific thread that were detected, and you may click on this button that means Show in Finder, and this will show you its direct location, so you may move it to the trash manually. You may do the same thing with all other threads that were reported. You know their location based on this report, so you may remove each specific thread manually or automatically, however, with the premium version of the program. Thanks for watching.